and welcome to SheModern Saturday, and I am Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some hearts. This itty bitty little heart right there. I've already started on a couple nails. Look how cute that looks. Doesn't it look really cute? And on this nail, I used, where'd it go? I turned my lamp on, my light. There we go, let there be light. The Holo Red Glitter Pixie. I put down some stencil glue, cured it for 30 to 60. Took the Pixie glitter, put it on, and burnished it. I rubbed, and look at how gorgeous that looks. But it's the same glitter we're using here. So we're going to crack on. Whoopsie. We get our stamping plate, our scraper, our SheModern jelly stamper. We've got our lint roller, our remover, my cotton claw. We are ready to go. Ready to go. Now this was a brand new plate when I started, so which means you had to prime it, which means clean your plate with your remover. Whether if you use an acetone, regular nail polish remover like I do, clean your plate. I have got my opaque black stamping polish here, as well as my bottle holder. Love, love, love. I got this off either AliExpress or Wish back in the day. I'm sure they still carry them. And you can maneuver this, let me turn it this way. You can maneuver the bottle around a little bit. And you don't need a lot for this little image. It's an itty bitty little cart. So you only need a little bit of polish. Oopsie. Whoops. It's knocking everything off. So here is our heart. Pretty cute. Put that one there. Get my cotton cloth. Clean my image, or my plate. Clean it. Slow and slow. This plate I'm having a hard time with because it's on the corner, like down on the corner, and it really doesn't want to be scraped. So you see me swish over it with my hand, and that's how I did with the other ones as well. Just a quick little swoosh. Just a quick little swoosh. Move her off. Now I got my finger oils on it. One thing after another. So go low and slow. There's our heart. There we go. We're going to move on to the next nail. Clean my stamper. You see a little bit of polish too. Not a whole lot at all. Not a whole lot. Whoops. There's my nail. Get your scraper low and slow. There we go. Get your tape, your lint roller, your card, whatever you want to use to remove the excess. And stamp. So here we go. We're going to go with our next one. Here's a good scrape. Got our heart perfectly. The stamper I'm using is SheModern's first stamper that they come out with, so I've had this for a minute. It does not have the hollow effect to it. It is not acetone friendly. It's just normal. It's just regular. It's just regular. This one's got a deep stamp on it. A deep one. Okay, now we are going to get, where'd it go? I'm going to get my tray, my glitter red Pixie, my Holo glitter red Pixie, and I'm going to put just a little bit at each one of the hearts. And then tap, tap, tap. Just tap them into the sticky stamping polish. Tap, tap, tap. Brush your nail off real well. And there we go. That nail is complete. Let's go in with our second nail, the middle finger. Tap, tap, tap. I'm hoping this one is still sticky. It should be. Tap, tap, tap. I'll brush this off camera. Oh, this one wasn't so sticky. This one was. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Gotta clean my plate real quick. This does have the plastic backing, which I'm grateful for. I love the plastic backings. Get your plate really clean, front and back. The plate is by Mr. Fox. I got it off of Amazon. The plate is Mr. Fox LB028. And like I said, the set came off Amazon. Alrighty, we are back. We are now going to top coat our nails. I'm using Ijo Beauty's No Wipe Top Coat. I should have pulled out my SheModern. Where are we? SheModern has their own top coats. Whoops. They have got the matte, which is beautiful. They got the matte. I'm having a brain fart. The No Wipe Top Coat and the satin. I love, love, love the satin. You gotta get your hands on that because it's perfect for pictures. So perfect for pictures. Top coat our nails. We go back over this one because it has a little bit too much top coat on it. There we go, onto the thumbnail. Run that bead right over the nail. There we go, we're done. I think these are so very cute. Cute and easy for Valentine's Day, right? Well, I'm going to pop the second cure, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Here we go. Fresh out of the lamp, our nails are fully cured in 30 seconds. I have a high-powered lamp, like 128 watts, I think. These are really super cute, I feel. Really super cute. So leave me a comment down below and tell me how cute you think they are. So let me know what your feelings, your thoughts, your constructive criticisms, anything like that. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you feel, what you think. And always, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Keep your eyes out. There's a giveaway going on. Have a blessed day and thank you.